Kaleb, what are we doing?
Today we're gonna hopefully not break my new PC.
We have to build a PC in 1 hour.
We're not gonna make that. We'll be lucky if we get that PC open in an hour.
Kids, don't do this at home. We are trained on professionals. Yeah.
Get some B-roll.
I don't think this is how B-roll is.
Yeah, it is.
You like? Wait, this thing is a voice modifier.
Yo.
Oh. On.
There's an on switch.
It's probably dead.
No, just edit in a Darth Vader.
Oh yeah, dude, put it on again, and then start saying some Darth Vader lines.
Something like a faith disturbing.
Yo, I gotta get a swig, bro. You should hold the
swig?
camera. Yeah.
Wawa.
Dab. Yo. Yo. Oh.
I can't find my lightsaber.
Just imagine Darth Vader just like walking up like to the battle like, hey, yo, guys. Sorry, forgot my lightsaber.
Forgot my lightsaber, sorry. I'm just gonna use the fourth on this one. So this one might hurt a little bit, I'm sorry.
Pixar looking lamp be like. Pepsi. Dude, that thing went straight up my nose. Oh, jeez. Oh, shoot, that was really loud.
I can't even do that. He's so much bigger than
This man.
that guy.
This man.
Big guy.
That's a big boy.
Not this guy. Not this guy. This guy.
The Fruit Loops parrot.
Yep.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
That's me.
Now do like the Lucky Charms guy, but with like a big mustache, like one of them Italian mustaches.
Find the moo juice milk.
Yeah, moo moo juice. Check it out on MrDrFist streams. You'll see what we talking about. You got stuff on your.
How did that get there?
No, sorry, that's not. Yo, bro, I can touch the ceiling.
Very cool.
Jump up really high and just slam your head into it.
Dude.
Hello, my name is Gerald.
Yeah, hey.
I'm alive if you hit your head.
Hey.
I'm about to.
You were close.
You want to see me hit my head?
Dos. Tres. 14.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some
20.
If that had fallen and broken on this PC.
That's my life savings right there. Kaleb, what are we doing?
Today we're gonna hopefully not break my new PC.
We have to build a PC in 1 hour.
We're not gonna make that. We'll be lucky if we get that PC open in an hour. We have our non-conductive mouse pad for safety.
This isn't a tutorial. You're not learning anything from us. You're learning what not to do. Don't do it. We are not. No. Just no.
Always make sure to wear your static bracelets.
Or you
and
can
make
be-
sure to connect them to something grounded.
Or you can be cool. You see this? The instruction manual? We don't need it.
What, they got the cool decal stickers though. I'm gonna add music, it's just you going.
Why are you handling it so aggressively?
I handle everything aggressively.
You break that.
They're made durable. They're made Ford
No,
tough.
they're not. They're made Ford wimpy.
I'm scared. That thing is...
Yeah, no, it's tight.
Well, don't do that.
I'm testing the tightness.
Like, no, but then,
Oh,
like,
I see.
yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Because you also have to pop this back plate into the back of the case.
Thumb it down.
The thingy go.
not-
Listen for it. Listen for the badoon.
That's
That was not a badoon.
That was the balloon.
That was the badoon.
Second way, motherboard control.
Cameraman, you getting this? Big chip.
Yo. That's the hack the Russian government, my guy. That's.
It don't fit. Oh, it fit. Never mind.
I was just saying, as you see that, it just slides right in.
Dude, I don't know what I'm doing.
No way, weren't you supposed to be the PC guy?
No. I'm making it all up as I go. I don't know what the heck's going on. You ever think of these though, and you're like, Twizzlers? How they like peel apart? You like the peel apart Twizzlers?
Please don't peel that apart.
You eat it.
I think the thinky juice is starting to wear off.
Solid 6 out of 10.
For taste or just for how you feel?
Yes.
Yo, hold on, Caleb. Can you just rotate a little bit? Oh, that's
There
a
you go.
thumbnail.
You put the mess behind, and you
Yes.
don't see a thing, bro.
Yeah, it's kind of like when you clean your room and you
Shove everything underneath your bed.
Yeah.
When your mom comes in, it looks clean.
Yeah.
Your father.
Put on the mask first.
Smells dusty though.
Oh, just say a line.
Your mom.
It's like angelic lighting right here.
Is my hair like lighting up like a halo?
It is.
Bruh, stop with the B-roll. Not everything is B-roll.
Dude, there's like no way back there. How are you sure?